Making presentation slides used to take hours of writing, designing, and formatting. But now tools like Gamma AI can generate complete AI-powered slides in just a few minutes. Whether you need business presentations, school projects, marketing slides, or content ideas, Gamma AI can speed up the entire process. So in this guide, I'll show you how to make AI slides using Gamma AI step by step. First, open the Gamma AI website in your browser and sign in to your account. If you're new, create a free account to get started. Once you enter the dashboard, click the Create button and choose the option for presentations or AI slides. Now type the topic for your slides. So you can describe the subject, audience, style, or goals of the presentation you want Gamma AI to generate. And honestly, the best AI-generated slides usually come from detailed prompts. Adding information about the audience, tone, and presentation goals can improve the results dramatically. And that's your full guide on how to make AI slides using Gamma AI. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to create professional presentations faster using AI tools.